Hello students, once again I am here to share a topic with you. So today we will learn our new topic by studying some situations. Okay, let's start. So here is the first situation. A girl rode his bicycle for 3/4 of a kilometer and a boy rode his bicycle for 1/4 of a kilometer. Now, can you guess who rode his bicycle farther? Girl or a boy? Here, in both of these fractions have same denominators. So, we can compare numerators of the fractions here. Since 3 is greater than 1, thus 3/4 will be greater than 1/4. Let's repeat. To compare fractions with the same denominator, simply look at the numerator to determine which symbol to use. And hence, in the first situation, girl rode his bicycle farther. Now, second situation is Madhu ate 3/4 of a cookie and Nina ate 2/3 of a cookie. If both cookies are of same size, then which girl ate more? Here, the fraction 3/4 and 2/3 have different denominators and different numerators. So now, how will we compare these two fractions? It would be easier to compare them if they had same denominators, correct? So, for this, we need to convert them into equivalent fractions with the same denominator. We have already learned equivalent fractions in video 3. So, we will multiply the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 3/4 by 3 and here we get 9/12. And multiply the fraction 2/3 by 4 and here we get 8/12. Now 9/12 and 8/12 have same denominators and again when the fraction having same denominator we can compare numerator of the fractions. Like as first situation, here 9 is greater than 8, right? So 9/12 will be greater than 8/12. Thus 3/4 will be greater than 2/3. Let's repeat. To compare the fraction with different numerator and different denominator, convert them into equivalent fraction with the same denominator. Hence, in second situation, Madhu ate more cookies. Till now, we have learned to compare fraction with same denominator and different denominator. Let's see what happens when we compare fraction with same numerator. Let's consider these fractions. Here, all the fractions have same numerator. And in the figure, we can observe here, fraction with larger denominator has smaller shaded part and fraction with smaller denominator has larger shaded part. So, as the denominator gets larger, the fraction gets smaller and the fraction with the smaller denominator is the larger fraction. So, to compare fraction with the same numerator, just look at the denominator. Hence, here 1/2 is greater than 1/3, is greater than 1/4, is greater than 1/5. Let's take one more example. Here, which one is greater, 5/8 or 5/6? Always remember, when comparing fractions with the same numerator, the fraction with smaller denominator is the larger fraction. Since 5 by 6 has the smaller denominator, it is the larger fraction. So, 5 by 6 is greater than 5 by 8. Now, it's time for practice. Compare all these fractions and share your answer in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.